name is Nathan Led, and I'm a member of the Morgans research team. This month, I have included Transurban, stock code TCL, in the Morgans Best Ideas list. Transurban owns a pure play portfolio of toll road concession assets located in Melbourne, Brisbane, Sydney, and North America, both in Virginia and also Montreal in Canada. This provides investors with exposure to the regional population and employment growth and urbanisation within those regions. Transurban has very high EBITDA margins. Its earnings really are driven by traffic growth, and that's particularly due to those like structural drivers that I just mentioned, as well as the recovery from COVID, given we have seen depressed traffic in each of those regions during the worst of COVID. It's also driven by toll escalation. So, on my calculations, roughly half of its revenues are linked or escalate with CPI, and the remainder by fixed rates of 4%. Its balance sheet has recently been reaffirmed by credit rating agencies as strong. It ranks a number of notches into the investment grade status. We think Transurban will continue to be attractive to investors given its market cap weighting in the index. So that's important for passive index tracking flows. It'll be attractive to investors because of the high quality of its assets, so both defensive and structural growth drivers. It's attractive because of its management team, which has high credibility in this market. I mentioned the balance sheet and also its growth prospects over the long term. In terms of distribution, look, watch for a very rapid recovery in the distribution alongside traffic recovery as those regional economies where their assets are located exit COVID restrictions. Really should see a very rapid improvement in the distribution over coming years. A couple of sort of major capital allocation things I should actually highlight. First up is that it is in the running to bid for the remaining 49% of the WestConnex road group in New South Wales. The New South Wales government is selling down, so its consortium, Transurban's consortium, already owns the other part of that road group. It's the 49% remaining that New South Wales government is selling down that Transurban will be bidding for. So that is something that is happening imminently. And the second thing I should point out too is there's a negative overhang or issue with the stock is to do with the contaminated soil disposal issues related to its Westgate Tunnel project in Melbourne. I think Transurban has the size as well as the contractual structure within that project to mitigate those issues. So just to summarise, very comfortable putting Transurban within our Morgan's Best Ideas list for this month. Thank you.